Bye. Bye.
देख रे रे छोटू देख बाय कर ले देख कर ले
Bye. Mimi. Bye, Mimi. Bye. Bye. There's a big one. Look, horse. Yeah. Goat. Hey guys, we're currently at my mother-in-law's village. It's actually my first time here, so excited to be exploring and meeting everyone.
देखो पूरी घोड़ी बकरा ली एक्साइटेड हो रही है ये भी मैं दत्ती बाय कर ला अच्छे बुरा मत क्या
Okay, so we're going to Ma's other brother, see Ma's other brother. So this is what a village in India looks like. Usually they'll have like cows everywhere. It's so fun, but I can't do this at where Cubby's from because I am the bahu. Hi. Hi. There's so many buffaloes. These are called buffaloes, not cows. Okay. This is all theirs. Get to know buffalo. I'm scared. Go.
What happened?
Man, it looks like it was coming. It was going to come hit me. Yeah.
हाँ ये वो है नहीं यार है नहीं उसकी मम्मी यो
Having chai and a bit of namkeen. This is my mother-in-law's brother's son. Amara's loving the cows. And so is I am. Mimi.
Sleeping key.
Finish her. Just woke up. Baby one, what happened? What happened? She just woke up, that's why she's like this. Amara with her grand uncle.
वो हाथ में दे दे हाथ में क्या चीज
ये फूल है वो इतना
पुदीना
नहीं
कहाँ
Panda baby. Panda?
पंडा
पांडा
क्या है पंडा
Panda.
दीदी
Didi buah.
Alright, we're off home now. It's been lovely.
उनका मौसी ने जीती रहा है मैं तो मलाई गगरो री क्या मरता ना
बोलिए तो फ्रीज पे तेरे फिर मैं वहाँ डाला मैं कोई चपाट में कोई जो मेरे गया
देख देख
Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. It's actually our last day here in India. It is the evening. Our flight is at 1:30 a.m. But yeah, it's actually our last day here in India.
Just going for some time.
Look at all our stuff. Let's go. She's trying to play games with me, but I'm not in the mood. I'm packing. Do you know that you're going on the plane today? Do you? Yeah, it feels like yes, man. How fast time goes. Well, me and baby, we've been living in India for the past, I say almost 7 months now, around 6 or 7 months. And we've enjoyed every single day of it. Like, I love it. I love living in India, love the culture, everything. And, you know, it's kind of similar to where I'm from, you know, the culture, the environment. So yeah, I'm actually not that sad because we're going to be coming back next year. But it's gonna be so sad for, you know, Amara's Nana and family to not see her every day. You know, they value her so much. So I'm sad for her because she enjoys India. She loves India. It's so good for her. But you know, sometimes you just have to take a break and go see your family, which is what I'm doing right now. It's been a great 7 months, I guess, but we'll be back. We will definitely, of course. It's so naughty, eh? My gosh, I made her khichdi and look, it was closed and she opened it completely. This girl, man, so naughty. Leave it. I made her khichdi so that she can eat it on the plane. She loves khichdi, so yeah, that's why I made it for her. She loves khichdi. Khichdi is rice mixed with dal and turmeric and a bit of salt. Obviously we're not going to take this, but if she's hungry in the car, then I'll give it to her. Hey, do you know where you're going? Do you know that you're going on the plane? Obviously you don't know because you're still young. You want to be taking your baby? Huh? Your baby's coming with you for free? So is you. Purple? Tell me.
और रखा गया तो ना खिलाता तो है नहीं हैं? खिलाता नहीं तो जब यार उसका या खिलाता तो ना और देखिए मैं बापू तो पूछ कर रहा है
Say bye-bye, Pipi. Bye, Pipi.
थैंक यू ला दे तेरे तो दे रही थैंक यू लुकारी तेरे पापा तो निकाली चल पकड़
बापू की अच्छा करते ट्रक मशीन और नहीं कोई नहीं तुम ना क्या हो पहले गाड़ी बैठ तो गए
अब तेरे पेपर का दे
Say bye, Pipi.
ए वो
भी तो जाएगी कर दिया बुक
Bye-bye. Bye.
ए दे देख ना 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 इन्हें दे
Bye, Ma.
जोड़े तो राम
बाय कर ला बाय
अच्छा मां के
Say bye. Bye, Ma. Bye.
बाय करते वीडियो में
बाय बाय नोनू
बाय बाय
Say bye.
बाय
Say bye.
देख लिया तो बोले
Bye, you're leaving your brother. Elephant, look. Guys, check out this massive lion. It's a family assistance. And look at this normal lion over there. Damn. Lucky we came earlier. Where you going? Where you going today? Alright, we're almost there. Look at the Christmas tree there. There.
Premium economy passengers request all other passengers to remain seated. On behalf of our guests, KLM, members of the team with all present.
नो ना
Naughty girl. Naughty. Wait. Amara, you gotta behave.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Say see you guys in Melbourne. Okay. Amara, look. Now she's gonna start talking to other people. That's just how she is. I hope she goes to sleep soon. See you guys in Melbourne.
Oh my god!
Amara. Alright, we've just arrived in Melbourne. Man, that was a really long flight, but I'm glad that we made it. It was such a long flight. Amara slept pretty much most of the time, which was good. We're seeing families in India. Amara doesn't even know that she's left her ma and her bua and pupa and her bais. Do you miss your family in India?
Yeah.
India, where's Ma? Ma, where's Ma? Ma कहाँ है?
Goodness.
Huh?
Hamster kitties.
Where's Saga? Saga Bai? Where's Saga Bai? Akash? Huh? Yeah, where's Bai? Where's Bai? Look at her. She seems to be enjoying this bed. I know, the bed is so comfy, huh? Yeah, man, that was a really long flight. I hate long flights, but yeah, we've got a couple of days spent with Kari because obviously he has to go back to work. But yeah, we're heading somewhere, which the next vlog's gonna be about. So yeah, I'll reveal that in the next vlog. But yeah, I'm so exhausted right now. Are you? Are you exhausted? Obviously not. But you're gonna get just gonna get a power nap in, and then we'll probably go get some food. And yeah, let's see if we want to go out tonight, you know, to explore outside. Obviously we've been here before, so we know where things are, but I don't really feel like going out today. Maybe tomorrow. But yeah, that's where we're at. We'll I'll pick up the camera tomorrow, and yeah, that is it.
Of course, it's racially insensitive.